How many pounds do you think that piano is? Like, legit, be serious.
It's probably...
Well, why are you lifting? You have to
probably
lift
at least... It's probably 500 or better.
Okay. And that poor man for 30 years has moved it over and over and over for me. He never asks for help. He just does it. I guess I'll keep him for another 30 years.
Is that centered?
Hold on.
Or do you want it
Probably more that way, because I'll stack stuff behind it if we don't.
Well, no, because I'm saying...
Oh, if we can get the cord out, we want to get the cord out. Because the other cord will be out regardless. See? It's going to be in between the legs regardless. So, I'm going to say as far in the corner, the better. Other than you have to be able to get it back out. So, don't, you know, shoot yourself in the foot. I think that's good, don't you? Can you get the cord out or no?
No.
It's not going to happen regardless? Then I say it's good. Just don't put it up against the wall because the vibration is just not pretty for my students. Thank you, baby. Okay guys, I'm going to turn you around and kind of show you where I'm at in this process. And this is basically a bonus video because I still haven't done the right hand side of the vanity internally. But everything in this room is different than what you've seen in the beginning of this video and hopefully better. Look forward to Saturday, hopefully being part B of the vanity so we can move on. I would love to kind of just skip that, maybe show you a picture of the inside of the vanity on the right hand side when I'm done and move on to something else. If anybody's cool with that, let me know in the comments below on this video. Now, I'm not ready. I'm not done, or I would just put it in right here because I haven't cleaned it out yet, so I can't. I thank you for joining us on this little room makeover, extreme makeover Gina edition, if that's what you want to call it. I've actually sat in here and enjoyed the day. That little table that I sit with at my in the living room every night. Here's my two journaling Bibles for my granddaughters. I did get the Day Spring Illustrating Bible, so I have one for each girl. There's my cart. That is a video coming up. We haven't went through that. Didn't really know what to do with my paper, so it's on the floor. That's that whole side. Christmas still needs to go out. But in saying that, we moved the armoire from here. Here's the piano. Sewing machine's on the ground because I don't exactly know what to do with it yet. Did have piano students here yesterday, so that's not actually pulled in yet, but you get the gist. And that's what it looks like now. So we have a lot of lighting over there for the students. Here's where I sit, pray, read, watch TV. Whatever I do is in that chair generally, and unless the room looks like it did. And this is the, oh, my little doggy. Hi, Coopy. Hi, baby. You need a haircut. Here's the armoire. We have not touched it yet. It is still looks as horrible inside as it did before. I'll show you. The This is going to be a whole declutter anyways. Do you guys have, you know, I have a Monica closet. I have 2 Monica closets, but apparently I have a Monica armoire as well. So it still looks exactly the same. We just moved it from one side of the room to the other. I did clean up my TV area. It was a disaster as well. Hello, there I am in the background. That still looks exactly the same. Haven't done anything at all with that. My lighting up here whenever I'm filming straight down. And we're back at my vanity. And it's amazing to me that when you spend a day or two cleaning, moving, reorganizing, how much you can get done. Matter of fact, my first piano student came in because they had already seen the video. And her mom was like, "You did all this in one day?" I said, "Well, I have a Tom." She just laughed. But it's true. I couldn't have done it without my honey. So my hair's a mess. I think I need to go redo my hair because I'm headed out to work. And if y'all are prayers, please pray for my boss and pastor because he is just not well. Again. Like again. He's battling a horrible, horrible, incapacitating migraine again. Is incapacitating a word? Maybe it is. Hopefully it is. At least you knew what I meant. All right. I'm going to go. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. God bless.